Hi, I'm Jimmy, Experiential Learning Lead at the Skokie Public Library, and today I will be showing you how to make a quilter square. For your quilter square, you will need some fabric or fabric scraps, a ruler or measuring utensil, a pair of scissors, and feel free to add some accessories if you would like. If you will not be using a sewing machine, you can also use some fabric glue, or any glue that you may have around your home. For my project, I will be using the sewing machine, as seen here. From the supplies I showed you earlier, I was able to sew together the 4 patches, add a little bit of a ribbon trim, and next I'm going to embroider it using the embroidery machine. Once the library is reopened and the renovation is complete, the library will have the sewing machines and embroidery machines available in the studio, the adult makerspace that will be located on the 2nd floor. So you can leave some blank space on your quilter square so that you can add some embroidery if you would like. After the embroidery, I glued on the little roses, and now my patch is done. For size of reference, it is about 8 inches by 8 inches, so it's about a perfect square. If you design your own and bring it into the library, hopefully we can collaborate and create an extra large quilt for the studio. What will you learn today?